friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some bottle cap techniques with the watercolor. For that I'm using this poster colors, and we need some size of caps, small, big, any type, whichever you need. First we'll dip this cap into watercolor and just make this circles this manner. This is really easy and fun for the kids. They really love this technique, and then just with the help of water just spread the colors. See how beautiful this looks, and see this way with lots of water. Just spread the color in. This way. Now we'll do with another color. Same thing, take water in your brush and just spread the colors. So here it is. Kids really enjoyed this watercolor technique with the bottle cap, and see this looks like a bubble. So this is a stress buster for the kids, so please let them do and enjoy the way they want to color this multicolor bubbles with a bottle cap. So I hope this video is very helpful to you. Please comment me on the channel regarding this video. Till then, happy Arty and Crafty. Thank you.